Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to look at AMC and GME, our favorite meme stocks. I got the technical analysis for GME and AMC, letting you guys know what to expect on the charts and the price action. Also, I have a summary for earnings about AMC, breaking down earnings and letting you guys know what is up. And also, we're going to talk about Project Popcorn. I already told you guys, Adam Aron is no good and the proof is coming out. This is why he wanted to settle the court case right away. He didn't want the dirt to come out and his fans to see the truth. But now all the doubters are about to realize the truth. So let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to look at AMC, our favorite meme stock. We're also going to check out GME as well, and I'm going to quickly look at Ape as well. But guys, interesting day today. GME is having a technical breakout. It's up 4.8% on the day. And if you look at the weekly chart, things are heating up for the meme stocks, especially if GME can break that $20 level, $21 level around that range and start moving up towards this $27, $30 region and get above this rising wedge. You could see, or falling wedge, you could see GME take a nice pop to the upside and definitely start heading back to all-time highs. As crazy as that sounds, especially once this technical breakout breaks. But GME is setting up for a great move. As you guys can see, Bollinger Bands on the weekly time frame getting extremely tight, and I do believe GME and AMC are setting up for nice movements to the upside, in my personal opinion, especially if GME can break above this $27 to $30 area. As you guys can see, Bollinger Bands are getting extremely tight here on the weekly time frame, letting us know volatility is coming and GME is starting to head up. It closed that gap as of recent, so as you guys can see, it moved to the upside and now it has closed that gap, hit that gap right there. This is the gap fill right where that white line is, and now is moving to the upside. And if it can break out of this triangle pattern right here, it will definitely move up to that $27 area, $30 area. And if it can break past that, you could see parabolic action for GME, in my personal opinion. If you quickly look, BBBY is on the OTC market and is up 9% on the day. So BBBY is currently up 9% on the day. Ape is basically flat after earnings. I'm basically waiting for Ape to break this $1.50 region. Its next major support and resistance zone is $1.70 and $1.75 around that area. And if it can push past there, you could see it move up to $2, $2.50 very, very easily. And I do think Ape is going to move up with AMC, especially once AMC really starts to rally. Now, AMC did not get above where I needed it to, so we really wanted it to see a break above $6.15 and then come back down and use it as support and then bounce above it. So basically what I was saying in my video yesterday, that we could go parabolic if we start to take off in the pre-market, get above $6.15, $6.20. So we had to get about $6.50, $6.40 around that range, then open the market, have a nice dump to the downside, and then find the bottom at that region and then bounce off of that and continue up. But we did have a little bit of close scenario. I told you guys that we are going to be retesting $5.80, $5.50 if we didn't see that parabolic action, and that's exactly what happened. We went back down to this $5.60 area, got a bounce off of that, retested that, and now we are moving to the upside. And this is exactly what you want to see, guys. We are testing support and resistance, moving our way up slowly. This is exactly what you want to see for AMC to make a nice movement to the upside and not come crashing back down to these lower levels. We're going up, we're checking resistance on the way up, we're getting bounces off resistance and support, and then moving to the upside. So AMC, in my personal opinion, is looking good. I do think we are going to close green on the day, and I am looking for us to continue this bounce to the upside and continuing to move to the upside. I think we could close as high as $6.25 today, maybe even possibly much, much higher. And I'm looking to be trading at $6 next week. Like I had said, we're going to be trading above $6 next week into next week, and hopefully by the end of next week, we can get to that $8 to $10 range that I am looking at. AMC is looking extremely, extremely juicy right now, as this thing could potentially pop at any moment. Now, guys, I want you to be aware that they do have 2.7 shares to short us down, but they have been less and less effective. As you guys have seen, they already used some of these short shares today. They were trying to use them. As you guys can see, they had 2.9 million. How they even get these things is the first question. How do you even get these things with this much cost to borrow? They spent a ton on these shares, but they had used some. Now they're loading back up, but it is not going to work. AMC's volatility is too much, and I believe we are going to slowly trend to the upside. Now, guys, I have some interesting news for you guys. I have the summary for the Q1 earnings report, so we're going to go ahead and play that summary for you guys, letting you guys hear the summary for the Q1's earnings report. All right, guys, so here's a basic rundown of AMC earnings. As you guys can see, total revenue grew about 21%, which is a huge beat. Net loss improved, which is good as well. We also beat EPA, which is great. Less cash burn, so that is good as well. Guys, AMC's earnings was phenomenal in my opinion. So guys, as you guys can see, AMC's earnings was good in my personal opinion. Everything is pretty much good, and the EPS was beat. The actual earnings per share was about 13 cents per share, and the estimated earnings was 16 cents per share. So we beat that as well. But guys, we have a major thing going on with Project Popcorn. Guys, I told you guys that Adam Aron is no good. I've been telling people. I don't know why people don't listen. I have my fingers on the pulse. Now, these people that are still supporting him, now that you have clear evidence that he is a fraud, and I told you guys this is why he wanted to end the court case quickly, because of all of this dirt is going to come out. And now we see Project Popcorn, where they were involved in making Ape with Citigroup. This is absolute collusion, and this should not be. Citigroup and Adam Aron himself were involved in making Ape. Guys, our CEO is against us, and they used those 500 million short shares from Brazil to make this thing. As you guys can see, I have all the documentation right here on my Twitter. I will link it down in the description below. Guys, this is absolute madness, but this is literally how Adam Aron and Citigroup robbed the AMC apes with Project Popcorn, and I will leave all the details linked down below. Guys, I told you guys, Adam Aron is no good. I'll let you guys read through that, and I'll do a video on that later. Guys, also, GME and BBBY also sent out communications, so make sure you guys check your emails. I got these documents today from BBBY and GME. GME's asking for a vote, and Bed Bath & Beyond has stuff for shareholders. So guys, check your emails as well. Also, guys, on other news, Bitcoin is setting up for a nice movement to the upside. I do believe it's going to hit 31 to 32K and hold those levels. Let's go ahead and look at AMC and what I'm thinking is going to happen for the rest of the day based off the technical analysis. Okay, guys, so we are looking really, really good right now. I think AMC is going to continue up. If we can break this $6.20 level, you could see AMC continually go parabolic today. This thing could start taking off today. We need to break the $6.20 level. As you guys can see, we're in this ascending wedge right here, and if we can break out of this ascending rising wedge right here, this overall red sloping support and resistance that you guys see, if we can break past that, you will see a nice push to the upside for AMC. And I do think we could get to that $8 to $12 level. And if we can get past the $8 to $12 level, you could see AMC absolutely go parabolic, because there is little to no support and resistance at these higher levels. And shorts are such underwater at these levels. FOMO will kick in, Gamma will kick in, and we could see AMC start to go off. And I'm talking about $10, $20 at a time. You will see this number change $5, $10. Quick swings, movements to the up and down side. Apes
get ready. And if you look at the overall macro pattern, it looks like we are ready for a massive breakout on AMC. As you guys can see, Bollinger Bands on the weekly time frame getting extremely tight, constricting, telling us that volatility is coming for the stock, letting us know that a massive breakout is on the way. We also have this break of this falling wedge, which is a 2-year falling wedge resistance. And as you guys can see, falling wedges are bullish continuation patterns. I'll go ahead and pull it up on the screen for you guys that are new, but I show this all the time. Falling wedges are bullish continuation patterns. You have a movement to the upside, then you have the falling wedge, and then you have another push to the upside. And that's exactly what's going to happen with AMC. You have this falling wedge, then you have a push to the upside, then you have your falling wedge, and you're going to have another push to the upside. And to get your breakout target for a falling wedge, you want to take your low to your high, and that can give you your pull for the falling wedge. You want to take that to your breakout point, and that can give you your breakout target. And as you guys can see, it's at or around all-time highs for AMC. So I easily think AMC on the macro chart, the bigger pictures, when in doubt, zoom out. The bigger moves will reach all-time highs again, in my personal opinion. Now, again, these things take time to play out. This could happen in all one parabolic movement, or it could be like a Tesla style type short squeeze where we see different spurts, but it's slowly grinding up throughout the day, year after year. So that is what I'm looking at basically for AMC, guys. On the smaller time frame, if we can break that $6.20 level, you can see AMC start to go absolutely parabolic. That is what I'm looking for us to break. I really want us to break $6.20 so we can move to that $8.12 or $8.12 resistance. Once we break past that, things can get extremely interesting. So guys, this is what I'm looking at based off my technical analysis and research. Hopefully you found this video informative. You can check me out on the Discord. I will be dropping more information on my Twitter as well, but I drop updates on Twitter and Discord. So if you want more up-to-date information, second by second, minute by minute for AMC stocks, crypto, go ahead and check me out. Link down in the comment section below. And guys, as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
All right, guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates in real time. And always remember, I truly appreciate each and every one of you that drops likes, shows love, and push love in the comments. It really does mean the world to me. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.